Hey everyone, welcome to Plants and Politics. So the final nail was put in Donald Trump's 2020 election coffin because the Supreme Court has declined to hear the last remaining petition which challenged the election results in Wisconsin. The lawsuit alleged that the use of mail-in voting was illegal and that more oversight was needed. And Trump was asking the court to throw out the entire vote count in Wisconsin and instead to allow the state legislature to choose the winner of the presidential election for that state. So yes, you heard that right. Trump wanted to throw out every ballot that was cast in that state, ignore the will of the voters entirely, and allow his sycophants in the state legislature to hand him the win. This is just a chilling reminder of how close we came to seeing the death of democracy in this country. If not for judges who, thank God, took their oath seriously to uphold the law, where would we be right now? And I am so sick and tired of hearing people say that there was massive voter fraud and the courts just won't take up the cases. As with this case, so many of his cases had nothing to do with fraud. They didn't even allege fraud. They just whined about mail-in voting not being fair. And last I checked, both Democrats and Republicans had the right to vote by mail. It's Trump's own fault that Republicans chose not to do so. He and his buddies told Republican voters, don't vote by mail. You can't trust it. It's rigged. That's on them. But anyway, the good news is that we're finally done with this BS. Now we can move on to the lawsuits against all of these loons who filed Trump's bogus petitions. And I can't wait because the truth will come out. I can't wait to see Giuliani and Wood and Powell and all the others humiliated in court when they can't prove a damn thing because they have no evidence. They have, as judges told them over and over again when they were laughed out of court, they have speculation, they have conspiracy theories, and they have hearsay and conjecture, nothing substantive, nothing that you could hang your hat on. If they had proof, they would have shown it. When people can't seem to grasp the fact that when these attorneys file a petition, when they file a lawsuit, they are given the opportunity when they file that suit to provide evidence within the lawsuit. They lay out their evidence. If the courts chose not to take that suit up, it's because they didn't provide any evidence in the written documentation that they filed to begin with. As always, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and listening. Take care, and I'll talk with you soon.